Hey, today we will be making bitter gourd pitlai. It is a tangy and mildly spicy tamarind based gravy which is a close cousin to the famous sambar, made with bitter gourds or as it's called pavakkai in Tamil. Take Toor Dal, wash and clean it thoroughly and add it to the pressure cooker. To this, add required amount of water, turmeric powder and a few drops of refined oil. Then cover and pressure cook over medium flame for 2 whistles. The dal should have soft and mushy consistency like this. For the Pitlai Masala, heat a small amount of refined oil in a frying pan. To this, add whole coriander seeds, chana dal, break in some dry red chilies and freshly grated coconut. Now, on low to medium heat, fry the masalas until the grated coconut in the masala turns darker brown. Once done, turn off the heat and then add some hing to this. On residual heat, mix in with the rest of the masala. Then cool to room temperature and make a coarse powder. For frying the bitter gourd, heat some refined oil in a kadhai. When the oil is hot, in batches, add the bitter gourd cut into thin circular slices and the seeds in the middle remove. Fry on medium to high flame until crispy and golden. For the pitlai, heat some more refined oil in a kadhai. Add whole cumin seeds and mustard seeds and let them crackle. Then add the king of the leaves, curry leaves, and infuse the oil with its flavor. Next, make a tamarind paste by adding hot water to the tamarind pulp. Add the tamarind paste and stir continuously till it comes to a boil. Then add the pitlai masala we had made earlier. Stir and cook until the mixture dries up. Then add the fried bitter gourd slices and cook the masala until it starts to release its oil. Add the boiled dal and cook with the masalas for 2 minutes on medium to high flame to infuse it with the flavors. Bring it to a boil and then adjust the consistency by adding the required amount of water. Once the pitlai starts to boil again, add salt and some jaggery to mellow the bitterness and balance the flavors. stir and melt the jaggery and take off the heat. Serve the bitter gourd pitlai hot with steamed rice and a dollop of ghee. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy cooking!